So there are a few parts of the female body that look or operate the same as they did in your 20s.
That's right.
So you have no problem complaining with your friends about wrinkles, sagging skin. We always talk about in the office, you know, a slow metabolism, but we rarely talk about what
we talk about a lot, yes, but 70% of postmenopausal women will not open up about their life in the bedroom and why it may not be the same as it once was. So here to start the conversation and share a life-changing procedure, we have Becky Vanicelli. She's a registered nurse. She's the owner of Ageless Expressions Med Spa, and we talk to Becky about everything, don't we?
Yeah, we can sit here and talk about it
And
all.
that's what we're doing. We're getting the conversation started because you have a revolutionary treatment that's helping so many women. What is it and what are you helping?
We do. It's the Mona Lisa Touch. It's the first FDA-cleared laser to treat the symptoms of vaginal atrophy. And if we're talking about medically, it's vaginal atrophy. As you age and your estrogen drops, the lining of your vagina thins out, gets paper thin, you lose the volume, you lose the stretch, you lose the lubrication, intercourse gets painful, dryness, itching, stress incontinence, all these horrible things. The Mona Lisa Touch has been shown over and over and over again to bring about dramatic results. And then you have, I mean, that's the clinical. And then the personal side of it is you get to enjoy intercourse again. You have that stretch, you have that lubrication, you have, you know, 50% of our patients report a strengthened pelvic floor, so you eliminate that stress incontinence. It just brings back a special part of your life that we shouldn't have to be without.
So you feel like you're in your 20s again, right?
It is just, it's fun to bring that back.
Bring it back.
Of course, I mean, what quality
we-
of life and your, you know, your relationships.
We talked about it. It's like, okay, kids are out of the house now. It's time to have fun. Okay?
So who are the best candidates, would you say, Becky?
Well, we have patients from 24 to, my eldest patient was 86. The best patient for clinical purposes is those with atrophy. So menopausal, treatment from breast cancer, just natural menopause, surgical menopause, anyone with like painful, dry intercourse. If you've had a big baby, you know, things just aren't the way they used to be, or, you know, with the stress incontinence. There's a whole range of people that this is good for.
Yeah, all of us ladies, we always talk about it. We avoid the trampolines.
Exactly. No, you can jump. My 86-year-old called me for a couple of months after finishing the treatment to let me know, Becky, I don't have to wear the pad anymore.
And she can get on a trampoline now.
I mean, that is such a huge improvement for your quality of life.
You know, this is non-hormonal. It is not really uncomfortable at all. You might feel like you have a little sunburn for a couple of days. It's a 5-minute procedure. 3 5-minute procedures, 4 to 6 weeks apart, no downtime, fantastic results.
Yeah, let's hear from some women who have had their lives changed with this treatment.
It's amazing.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer at 29. I had gone through 2 surgeries, radiation, was put on tamoxifen, and started experiencing all of the wonderful side effects of tamoxifen, which included vaginal dryness, and atrophy.
Hot flashes and dryness and painful intercourse.
I was having a lot of pain with intercourse to the point where I just stopped being sexually active.
We were having no sex at all, none. And, you know, it really was detrimental to the relationship because, you know, here you have your partner who is looking at you like, what is wrong with you, or what is wrong with us? Is there a problem with, are you not attracted to me anymore? It's really hard not to be able to have, you know, sex with the person that you love.
I tried multiple things. I did the patch, I did creams, I did oral medication, and I just stopped doing it because of all the controversy.
This treatment is life-changing. It is something that you can do without feeling scared that it's going to make your breast cancer come back or cause other health side effects.
And there's no drugs involved, so you don't have to be worried.
There's no pain, no discomfort, and I definitely saw results pretty much immediately.
The treatment itself is totally painless. It just feels like a little bit of a vibration. After that first treatment, I had results almost immediately. I mean, within a few days, I could tell that things were functioning more as they should be.
Well, I would say I'm 90% better.
My message will be definitely try the Mona Lisa. It's worked for me.
I would recommend it to any woman who had any kind of concerns about vaginal dryness or atrophy.
The improved intimacy definitely impacts a lot of aspects of my life. I'm happier, he's happier.
I mean, I would say go for this because this will fix it.
Wow, incredible. the
Okay,
results
and
you're
just
getting.
quickly, if you've been diagnosed with lichen sclerosis, we have proven treatment options that will meet your needs. Give us a call.
This is wonderful.
All right,
Thank you
thank
so much,
you.
Becky. Today is the day to take action. Take advantage of this one-time only offer from Becky and Ageless Expressions Med Spa. She's going to give you 50% off the Mona Lisa Touch procedure. If you call right now and make your first appointment for today, you can get it for half price. That's awesome. And if you can't make it in today, that's okay. Becky will still give you a great discount. Call and make your appointment for any time this week. You will receive 33% off of this treatment series. And Becky is throwing in another deal too. Get 20% off a laser facial treatment with your Mona Lisa Touch procedure. Another one-time offer only. So call Ageless Expressions Med Spa right now. Make a commitment to age healthier, live happier, and get in on these one-time deals. It is 844-7-AGELESS. That's the number, 844-724-3537. They have locations in Littleton and Golden. You can also learn more on their website. It is agelessexpressionsmedspa.com.
Coming up on Colorado's Best Tighten Sagging